Good afternoon, boys. Yesterday I will finish exercise 6.3, 1 to 4th sum. Now I will go for question number 5. Okay, so question number 5 they given from the top of the lighthouse. From the top of the lighthouse. So I can take the lighthouse. From the top of the lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite sides, right? So you can see the two ships also are in opposite side. So one ship this side and another one is we can take this side, right? Two ships, right, or two also in opposite side. Now you are standing the top of the lighthouse and seeing the ships. Okay, seeing the ship now. At angle of depression they given 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, so this is the eye level. Okay, now angle of depression of first ship is we can take angle of depression they given 30 degree and angle of depression of second ship we can take it is a 60 degree. Okay, and the next they given the height of the lighthouse. The height of the lighthouse they given h. Okay, and the next join the two ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse so that distance between the ships. So distance between the ship is you want to find 4h by root 3. Right? So this is the first ship and this is the second ship. So you want to find the distance between the two ships is equal to 4h by root 3. You want to prove this one. Okay, so I can take the distance between first ship to lighthouse, I can take x, and the lighthouse to second ship I can take y. So now you want to find the distance between the two ships, that is you want to find distance between the two ships you want to find. So distance between two ships is you want to find x plus y. So x is distance for first ship to lighthouse and second one is right of y. Okay, next angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. So I can take here 30 degree and here it will come 60 degree. Okay, next we can take the points A, B, C and D. Okay, so this is the given question. Okay, given. So AB I can take x and BC I can take y and the total AC. So AC I can take x plus y, that is a distance between the two ships, and height of the lighthouse BD is equal to h. So these are given. Okay, wow. So now you want to find the distance between the two ships you want to find. Okay, so first I will take 30 degree, right? So here 30 degree, the triangle is ABD. Okay, so take the triangle. So first one I can take the 30 degree. So I can take the triangle ABD. Clear? So here angle is 30 degree and BD is height of lighthouse h, and then AB is I can take here x. Okay, so now here we can use this is adjacent side and this one is opposite side. So we can take that tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So here opposite side is BA by opposite side BD, opposite side BD by adjacent side BA. Here theta is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to BD is h, BA is equal to x. So tan 30 value you know 1 by root 3 is equal to h by x. Okay, so you can take cross multiple, x is equal to h root 3. So first result we can get x is equal to h root 3. First one we can get the result. Okay, va? Next you want to find, okay, first x is over, next you want to find y. So y is a triangle of BCD. So I can take the triangle BCD, right? So the 60 degree BCD, right? So here angle is 60 degree and BD is equal to H and BC is equal to Y. So this is adjacent side and this one is opposite side. So we can use tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So here theta is 60 degree. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side here H by adjacent side is equal to Y. So 60 is root 3 H by Y. So next we can get Y is equal to H by root 3. So x is equal to H root 3 and Y is equal to H by root 3. So next you want to find, right, distance between the two ships, that is AC you want to find. AC is x plus y. So now we can find distance between two ships. Distance between two ships. So distance between two ships x plus y. So equal to x plus y. So x we can find h root 3 and y we can find h by root 3. Okay, here denominator is 1. So take cross multiple. So we can get 3h root 3 into root 3 we can get 3 da. So 3h plus 1 into h by root 3. So we can get 4h by root 3. That is distance between the two ships is 4h by root 3. So you want to prove that only, no. So you want to show that distance between the two ships is 4h by root 3. That answer only we can found here. Okay, that's all that this one. Next I will go for next sum. Sixth sum da. Okay, so in this sixth sum they given a lift in a building of height 90 feet. Okay, so lift is there. So lift it is in the top of the building da. Okay, va? So at the height is 90 feet. Okay, so I can take the building height is 90 feet. Now the lift is sitting top of the building, right? Okay, va? Now the lift is coming descending. Okay, so the lift is coming descending, that is the lift come to down, right? The lift coming down. Okay, the top of the building, the angle of depression of the fountain, the angle of depression of the fountain in the garden is 60 degree, right? Where you standing here, top of the lift. Okay, now the lift is there. Okay, and fountain it is in the ground. Okay, so we can take the fountain like that, right? A fountain in the ground. Okay, so the angle of depression of the top of the building to the fountain. So this is eye level line. I can take top of the lift from the fountain. They given 60 degree. So we can take it is a 60 degree. Okay, fountain okay vada. And then next 2 minutes later, the angle of depression reduced to 30 degree. Okay, so now the lift is here 2 minutes later, right? So the lift coming down. Okay, now the lift coming here, right? So it will take how many minutes? 2 minutes, right? So 2 minutes, in 2 minutes the lift coming here. Okay, so here the angle of depression is reduced to 30 degree. Okay, now where you are here and seeing the fountain, at angle of depression, right? So angle of depression is they given 30 degree, reduce to 30 degree. Okay, and the next, if the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance to the lift, so lift here and fountain how many meters? 30 root 3 feet. Okay, distance from the fountain to the lift. Okay, now you want to find the speed of the lift. You want to find speed of the lift. You want to find. Okay, so first starting the lift is here. Okay, so the lift coming down. Now it is the place, right? Here it will take 2 minutes. Right? The lift top to bottom coming. Here it will take 2 minutes. Right? So this is the distance covered by the lift in 2 minutes. So now we want to find this distance, and then we can find the speed. Okay, so first we can find the distance A, B, C and D. Okay, so angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. So first one I can take here 60 degree and I can take here 30 degree. Okay, so total height is 90 feet. Total height is 90 feet. Okay, CD I can take here H, that is the lift, right? Cover the distance in 2 minutes. I can take here H, and then AD we can take total height is 90 and this is height is H, and then remaining AD is we can take 90 minus H. Okay, so now taking it the givens, so AB equal to 30 root 3 and then AD equal to 90 minus H and CD equal to H. CD is equal to H. Okay, these are given. Okay, now here you want to find the speed of the lift. You want to find, right? So you want to find the speed means, right? You know the speed formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. So first you want to find distance, right? So the distance is not given. So first you want to find the distance, and the next last we can find the speed. So now I can find the distance, right? So okay, now we can find the distance. So now I can take that triangle ABD. So right angle triangle I can take ABD. So take the right angle triangle ABD. Right angle triangle ABD. Right, AB they given 30 root 3 and AD 90 minus H. AD 90 minus H. Angle is 30 degree. So this is adjacent side and this one is opposite side, right? So we can use the formula for tan theta. Okay, so tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is AD. So AD by adjacent side is AB. Okay, now here theta is 30. So tan 30 degrees equal to opposite side AD 90 minus H by AB is 30 root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 90 minus H by 30 root 3. So now we can root 3 we can cancel. Next we can get 30 is equal to 90 minus H. Okay, so we can take the H is equal to 90 minus 30. So we can get H is equal to 60 feet. H is equal to 60 feet. Okay, now we can find the CD. H we can find Noda, right? So here H is distance traveled by the lift in 2 minutes. That is here H is what? Distance traveled by lift in how many minutes? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So here h is a distance, right? So h we can find. So I can take h is equal to distance, so distance you get 60 and time is equal to 2 minutes. Time is equal to 2 minutes. Now here you want to find which one? Speed of the lift you want to find. So you want to find the speed of the lift. So speed formula you know, right? I explain no. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time, right? Here distance is 60 and the time is equal to 2, right? So we can cancel, we can get 30 feet by minutes. Okay, vada? Clear, vada? Okay, next I will go for next sum. So next example 6.31. So given from the top of 12-meter high building. Okay, so building and tower they given at a building and cable tower. So I can take here building and then tower. Building and tower I can take the here. Okay, here the angle of elevation of top of the cable tower is 60 degree. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree from the top of the high building. Okay, so from the top of the high building you can see the top of the tower, right? Top of the tower at angle of elevation they given 60 degree, right? So here I can take the height of the building, height of the building line, okay? Here angle of elevation of the top of the building to the top of the tower is 60 degree they given. Okay, next the angle of depression of its foot is 30 degree, right? So angle of depression of the foot of the tower, angle of depression of the foot of the tower they given 30 degree, right? 30 degree they given. So angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. So I can take here 30 degree. So from the top of the building, you can see the top of the tower and foot of the tower. Okay, top of the tower angle of elevation and foot of the tower angle of depression, right? Here height of the building is 12 meter they given, right? Same height I can take here. So this is 12 meter, that is equal to the height of the building, and remaining height I can take here h. Okay, so total height we can take 12 plus h. Total height we can take 12 plus h, right? So this is the height of the tower. Okay, and adjacent side they not given, so I can take here x. Adjacent side they not given, I can take x. So this is the given diagram for question. So A, B, C, D. Okay, diagram is over. Now you want to find what, sir? You want to find height of the tower you want to find. So height of the tower. So height of the tower is 12 plus h. So we want to find the value of h first, and then we can add to 12, we can get height of tower. Okay, so given AB is equal to x and AE equal to 12 meter, and the next BC also here 12 meter, CD is equal to h, right? And then EC also x, EC also x. So these are given. Okay, so you want to find the height of the tower you want to find. Okay, so first I can take here 60 degree. So 60 degree it is in a triangle of which triangle? ECD, right? So first I can take the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle ECD. So ECD, right? Here angle is 60 degree. CD is H and EC is equal to X. Okay, so this is adjacent side and this side is opposite side. So we can use tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, here opposite side is CD by adjacent side is equal to CE. So tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side CD, H by C is equal to X. So root 3 equal to H by X. Then we can get H is equal to X root 3. H is equal to X root 3. So this is the result for first one. Okay, next I can take the 30 degree. Okay, so 30 degree we can take the right angle triangle EAB, right sir? So angle is 30 degree. So right angle triangle EAB. So EAB, right? Here A is equal to 12 and AB is equal to here X, right? Here angle is 30 degree. So this side is adjacent side and this side is opposite side. So we can use tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AE by adjacent side is AB. Here theta is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to 12 by X. So 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to 12 by X. So we can take cross multiple. X is equal to 12 root 3. So now we can find X node. But you want to find the height of the tower. So height of the tower is 12 plus H. So first you want to find the value of H. So X we can find no. So this X value take and substitute here. Okay. So substitute X is equal to 12 root 3. Substitute here. So H is equal to X root 3. X is equal to we can find 12 root 3 into root 3. So we can get 12 into 3 equal to 36. So we can get H is equal to 36. But you want to find height of tower only you want to find, right? So height of tower. So height of tower is BD. Height of tower BD. BD is equal to here 12 plus H. BD is 12 plus H. So 12 plus H is equal to 36. We get answer 48 meter. So this is the height of the tower. Clear? Okay. Thank you, boys.